welcome to a September 3rd stream for Gift. Yeah, I think after this week it'll be on time. We've just been finishing up the site, getting ready to launch it for next week. But yeah, other than that, let's get started with some trading. What's my live screen at? Put that up. Turn this down a little bit. There we go. You got that up too. Okay, let's get started with some analysis. Let's go top down. So monthly, yeah, now you have the monthly kind of pushing down here a little bit. So you might see a continuation down, maybe to the wick. Obviously, you're at this support or this liquidity zone that we've been having for the past little while. So this whole area right over here, right? This is like the bottom of the wedge right now. So now we have a wedge formation. You kind of draw it like this. So price is just basically chilling in this little formation right now. I thought it broke out on the Monday, but that seemed to be a fake out for that breakout. That rhymed, but it seemed to be a fake out for that breakout. And yeah, hold up, give me a second. Setting some stuff up on my other screen. Can you look at, yeah, I could look at your Bitcoin chart. Throwbacks. Do you know how to send it here? I think I showed you how to send it. Just give me 1 second. I'm just setting stuff up on my other screen, and then I'll get to it. Do you want me to analyze it, or are you gonna send a chart? Because all you gotta do if you're on Trading View, click this camera up here. Go to Save Image, and these last few letters in the link. Okay, yeah, put the last few letters in the link. Just send that to me, and then I can put it up, pull it up on the chart. So I'm gonna continue with my gold analysis real quick. You have this wedge formation. Okay, sounds good, man. But yeah, now in gold we have this like wedge formation that's formed up. I do feel like it'll tap into this area today and kind of like push up for Friday. Tomorrow we do have NFP, so it'll be kind of tough to trade it. For example, it's Friday, long weekend, so honestly, might just stay safe, stay away from it. Fuck it, might not even trade tomorrow. I'll be on for sure, editing all the videos and whatnot. But yeah, 30-minute. Yeah, this is basically in this big ass wedge right now. I could potentially see price go up. Let me see real quick. So the 4-hour grab liquidity pushed up. 1 hour just open. The 4-hour just open. 30 minutes, same thing. We have this little area here. We have this little liquidity area here. It's a 15-minute look. Yeah, 15-minute, the 1 minute, 5-minute. Honestly, I don't see a trade yet. I want to long it. I do. If I long it right now, where would my risk be? 20 pips, or I can move it to 50. You know what? I'm going to get a quarter position cowboy entry right now. The 50 area. I got a quarter position. I'm reducing risk. It is quite the cowboy entry, if you ask me. So I think, okay, throwbacks, when you trade gold, especially right now, there's no clear direction. I do feel like it'll break up higher. Keep the risk small. Don't put a lot. Like if you have $100 in your account, go. How much am I risking on this right now? Go like 0.01 lot. You'll be risking $5, but your potential is also going to be $5. And if you make like 5% in a trade, that's good. Or even 0.02 lot, you could go that. That might work out as well. The only reason I'm going long is because you kind of have this support being created. The new 4-hour open, you had a 4-hour wick. It's kind of like pushing up higher a little bit right now. Liquidity grab, and honestly, I think I'm gonna move my stop up a bit. So 1932 is gonna be my stop, and then I'm gonna have my core out. I'm in at 1934.50. Gonna have my core out at 1939.50. Yeah, learn it now. It's pretty tough to trade. Like I had a good call yesterday on this sell move. Where was it yesterday? Right here. I had a pretty good call on the sell move on gold. That's the thing, right? Like it has to get the momentum and the volume push, and that's what happened. It got the momentum and the volume push. But as of right now, the safest sells are gonna be below here. These are like cowboy buys right now. If you wanted to enter, and to me right now, I mean, I'll see how it goes. If it does break below the hourly open, then I'll be getting out. Thing with gold is to be really risk averse, really like conserve your profits, not like risk it all on gold. You just gotta wait for a trade to really set up, to be honest. Go to Euro USD. Euro USD, yeah, this weekly's pushed down quite a bit. Daily pushed down quite a bit overnight as well. Daily tapped into this support area right here. Whoops. The daily tap in that support area. 4-hourly is just opened up, but you can see the green one and then a big reject, and this one's kind of pushing down a little bit. Start off the new 4-hour after the 6 o'clock candle was bullish. That was up. How many pips was that? 20 pips. Eh? That'd have been a nice trade. Eh. That was a tough one to trade. But yeah, I think biggest thing with this one is to be patient. Kind of let it set up. But yeah, send me your Bitcoin chart at any time. I'll take a look at it. Well, I'm gonna get out of this trade. There's not enough information. I exited out of this trade. Took only like a 15 pip loss, which is all good. So I really trust it. If I have to be honest with you. It's not even a big one. I might re-enter on this, depending how the 15-minute close is. So we'll see about that. I should trust in my analysis. You know what? I'll give it a second chance. I'll get back in, same price. Fuck it. Quarter position. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. 1934.50. I'll trust it. I'll try it again. Might as well. There we go. That was the pop I was looking for. Just a little bit more patience for me. That was my bad. Wow. I had the right call. I just didn't trust it too much. I just gotta wait a little bit longer. Can't get too scared, you know? Yep, basically cowboy, man. I'm just a straight cowboy. It's okay though. This is good enough. I feel like it'll work out. I think we just gotta wait. Trying to, yeah, I used to. I don't really play it much anymore. I was in like Warzone for a little bit, then now staying up too late, now waking up early. It's kind of tough. But now I kind of quit that for a bit, trying to get this going a little bit better. And then, yeah, no. NBA 2K was fun too. I love my player. Used to build it up pretty nicely. There this trade goes. This trade's looking good. It's looking pretty good right now. I'm gonna get my core out soon here. I think in about another 10, 15 pips or so. Get the core out of this position. We go to the 30-minute. Yeah, the 30-minute looks nice. Liquidity grab and then a push up. Even the hourly too. Double bottom, push up. I don't know if he'll go back up here, but you know, get the intraday move. Leave a runner going wherever that runner wants to go. Oh yeah, throwbacks. You can send your Bitcoin chart anytime. I can pull it up anytime too. Oh, you missed it. Damn. Yeah, the stream's delayed a little bit too, like 10 seconds, which is kind of unfortunate, but I got that right before the breakout. Even though like really I should have had my original position, just trusted that. Never really broke structure, nothing. So I got out of my core. Really should have made that here. 138.50. Now I have my runner. Runner's at break even. Trying to hop on this Bitcoin. Hold up. Maybe I'll just search it up since I'm done this trade basically. Bitcoin futures, or let's go cryptocurrency, probably easier. Bitcoin USD. That is a weird chart. What am I looking at? That is not how that looks like. There we go. That one's. There we go. I don't know what I got on that one, but Bitcoin's on your resistance. You gotta show me your chart. What I see is Bitcoin like selling off today. Kind of have these harsh movements on the sell. You can't. One thing that I've learned with trading over time, learned it the hard way by losing money. Can't catch a falling knife right now, right? So right now, in my personal opinion, I wonder if there's a knife here. Nah, there's no knife, but I'll find a good symbol to use so I can show you what I mean. Okay, consider this like a knife. Okay, so the price is going down right now. It's going down like that, and it's sharp, and it's harsh. Whoops, I don't do that one. So it's sharp, it's harsh, it's going down. Thing with this is you can't really try catching it. You gotta wait for the. That was weird. You gotta wait for that price to come down, create a support, and then shoot up. And at this point, that's when you buy it. Right now, yeah, it could be here, but there's no indications for it to continue up. It's still on an uptrend for sure, but it's like the same thing with this down movement, right? You have harsh days down, then you have this consolidation, then you have a move up. So you want to wait for this consolidation before you buy it. That's my whole thing on buying Bitcoin, or you could dollar cost average Bitcoin too. It's pretty volatile. It goes up and down quite a bit, right? So, I mean, if you do buy it here, dollar cost average, and then, yeah, no, cowboy line. Well, one system we used to use, especially considering we are long-term bullish on Bitcoin, except they hit resistance right here too. But you could dollar cost average. Let's say it does go down. Honestly, I'd look for like below 10,000 to buy or something. Anything below 10,000, you could dollar cost average it. But right now, I'd say I think it's gonna head down a little bit more. But that's just my analysis on it quickly. If you want to send me your chart, I could look at yours and see your analysis on it. Scroll up. Oh, did you post the link? You can't post the link in here. Here, I'll show you what I mean. Like, you can't post the full link like this. You got to post these last few letters. YouTube doesn't allow the links to come. So, like, those letters you got to post. Send me those letters. Because if you send the full link, I won't get that. But if you just send, like, these letters, then I can look at your chart that way. So if you go to, like, Trading View, go to this camera. Once you click that camera, click Save Image. Once you click Save Image, click the last few letters here. then you just put those ones in. There you go. That's perfect. Let's check this out. So now when I go here, save image. Whoops, let me zoom in on this. Oh, the 30-minute. It's about to break out. It's nice. Enter that. No, that didn't work. Wrong chart. Because usually I don't know if you did, but you click the camera. You see the camera on the top right over here? Click that. And then if you go to click save image, it should be the letters on the save image screen. So if you click the save image screen, then you kind of put it in here and it should work like that, right? It's whatever these letters are on the save image screen. So once again, go to camera, save image, these letters, copy those, and just send me those letters in the chat. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Take your time. Ain't going anywhere. Gold's going places, which is nice. Another good gold trade call. Another day, another dollar. Try now. Same letters? No, I don't think the same letters will work. You have to resend those letters. So you gotta resend these, whatever this is. It's always new. So like that, resend those types of letters up here. When you go to the camera, go to save image, and then these letters at the top, the URL. This one looks good, and then I'm gonna get out 50% more. 4250. I'm not getting it in chat. This is what my chat looks like right now. That's weird. Should be working. Because it usually does work. Give me a second. I gotta zoom in on this trade. A 30-minute close, 30-minute close, pretty nice. So you know what? I'm getting 50% out right here. I mean, because it hit like this level right here. So at this level, I'm gonna get 50% out. So I got 50% out. At 1939. Oh, let's get 40. 1940. Come on, give me 1940. No, we're making a Twitter and Instagram soon here, so we'll get those handles up. Okay, I'm out 1940. 50% runner out at 1940. TP core. Just putting some notes down. Try it again. Try it again if you want, but just try the whole process again. So if you go to this chart, go to the camera, save image. Try these last letters again. Because that should work. Or if you copy the link, try that too. But try the letters first. I don't think the link sends through, does it? Check youtube.com. See if it did send through. That's weird. I don't know why it ain't working. Usually it does. So it's all good. Ooh, let's try it. I hope it works. Yeah, there we go. It worked. Can't zoom in. I can't zoom in. Interesting, interesting. I'm gonna annotate. Yeah, I can see it. Let me annotate, and then we'll draw on it a little bit. So the thing is, right? Like, yeah, you have all these price levels. You have this is the big zone right here, right? That gold box I'm gonna draw. Right now, it kind of broke that. So in this 1 hour buy stop you took, I feel like that's a cowboy entry at that point. Because right now, after it broke this level right here, it pushed down, right? It went down this way. And considering, I know what you mean, I can't scroll back on this chart, but if I like go here and go to Bitcoin, if I go to the daily, yeah, you have this support right here. But with this big red candlestick right here on the daily, I feel like it could push lower. For the buys, you would want to wait. Like if you use this as an example, right? You see, I'm gonna clear this drawing right now. Clear all drawings. Yeah, you got the chart sent in, but so you kind of see this red move right here, right? So you kind of want to wait for something like that to happen, because right now what's happening is something like this move, right? So you have this push down, you have a consolidation, but on this candlestick, it didn't push up, right? If this pushed up, you would buy it right here, have your stop here. But in this case, it pushed down. And when it pushed down, it did the same thing. So it created a consolidation move right here. So after it created this consolidation, the best buys would have been right here. So just using past price as a comparable, like yeah, it is at a support, but you could also say arguably that this was at a support too when it hit down here, right? You do want to wait for this type of move to happen, right? At this moment here. So anytime it pushes down, creates a consolidation, then a move up, buy it at those levels. Because over here, yeah, it's a support, but every time you do that, if it breaks through, then you need your stop loss to control your risk. So for Bitcoin, I'd probably just wait on it, wait for that support to be created, the consolidation, and then buy it on the way up. Ideally, you would want to see this kind of move down, go sideways a bit, kind of like this, for example. Some sideways movement like that, or sideways movement like that. And then anytime it breaks above, you buy it on the break above. So you would buy it here, for example, or you would buy it here, for example, or in this case, if it does this, you would buy it here, for example. But I wouldn't really take the entries at this point because it's kind of like throwing a dart at a board. I don't know. It's kind of just tossing it in. That's like gambling because you're trying to get like the best cowboy entry, but it's not like the highest probability right now because the probabilities are against your favor on this trade. It broke that support. It's going down. Bearish candlesticks at the moment. There's no bullish momentum. So if you're in it, I'd stay safe. Honestly, I'd probably just get out and wait for support to be created. Be patient and then kind of enter from that and enter on the breakouts. When you enter on breakouts, so here, let me do this as an example. When you enter on a breakout, even if you missed it like right here, you enter over here, your stop loss is going to be over here. And knowing Bitcoin, it could just keep continuing and continuing. Like at this point, you got like a 17.5% gain for like a 7.5% loss. So it's a 2 to 1. But yeah, no. Keep sending charts in though. That was fun. Anytime. Keep sending those charts in. Honestly, trading's just a patience game, man. No problem. It's just a patience game, right? You gotta wait for the setups. Put a like on the stream if you haven't either. That'd be very well appreciated. Yeah, you get another chart. Show me anything really. Whatever you want to trade or show me, I'll obviously do any analysis on it. So yeah, patience is key. It is key in trading. It's a lot of sitting and waiting, analyzing, and just playing whatever happens, whatever the market gives you. Kind of playing, telling a story from the charts, trying to see where the opportunities lie in the charts and playing those. So be right back. Hold on. You do your thing, man. Oh man, what if Chan's on? Oh, let me man, I'm hungry. Fuck this intermittent fasting. It's tough. I get stopped out on this trade. Well, let me give it another hour or so. See how it turns out. Oh, you're charting Nasdaq? Nice, nice. Yeah, I'll take a look at that for sure. Anytime, man. Anytime. Alright, if you're saying it now, let me get the other link open right here. So. Sent. No, I didn't get it. No chart. That's my chat box right now. You can't send the link again, right? You guys sent those. You guys send those letters. Once you send those letters, then I could gauge it and then trade it from that. So yeah. It's these letters here. When you go to that, go to camera, save image, just give me those letters, copy that, and then I copy those letters into this, right? And then it's a chart. Nope, I did not get it again. It's right here. Try saying it like you did up here with the X, like how you sent this message. Maybe try it with the X. Yeah, I haven't got anything yet. Oh, you sent it with the X? That's weird. Or are you still sending it? Yeah, I ain't getting any. Oh wow, hold on, this gold trade's going on. Okay, got 50% more out at 45 right here. So 45, so maybe 25% of the runner. There we go. It's not working, eh? Fuck. That is weird. Yeah, I'm not getting anything on this end. Double D. Yeah, maybe I could look up your account name. I don't know. Nah, that's not working. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to fix that, but usually it does work. Like if you save image, maybe redo it, like exit trading view and try it again. Like if you just exit the whole browser, open it up again, go to snapshot. But other than that, I'll take a look at NASDAQ too. I got time. Pretty much done trading. Well, where's the NASDAQ here? There we go. NASDAQ 100 gap down. I mean, overall, it is just in an uptrend. It's slow, very controlled type days for sure. So that's one thing about it. It is on a nice uptrend. I'll give it that. It's actually been playing out pretty good. As for trading it right now, I think I told Chad too, like I want to buy it, but I feel like around election time or fall time, it's gonna be a correction. Depends who gets voted in. If it's like Trump, then there'll be like a 5% correction, or if it's Biden, it might be like 15 to 20%. But I mean, if you do want to buy at these levels, you definitely can. Like it's obvious what's happening here. It's just pumping up to the moon, really, right? I think that Trump's gonna use that to his case for the election as well. But as for a trade, I see it on it. I don't really see a trade. You just buy and hold at this point, right? If you buy and hold at this point, then should be pretty good. So I think I'm gonna make the blog post on this. And I'm moving my, I'm moving my stop. And I'm gonna put T here. 25%. It's all good throwbacks. We'll get into the charts and stuff again tomorrow. But yeah, I feel like this gold trade, give a like on the stream. Should be more people coming in starting next week, hopefully. That's what I'm hoping for. Um, but yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream now. It was nice. Thanks for joining in again. Yeah, I definitely will. I think we're creating our social media handles this weekend because we haven't had that up. We just want to get the website done and the website basically accounted for before we actually create any social media handles. And then we will create that. We'll give you a follow. We'll ask you for your handles too. And yeah, no, we'll get going from there. And then obviously I could pull up the charts from the DMs or whatnot, and just kind of gauge it from that. But other than that, thanks for tuning again. Tuning in again, man. See you tomorrow. And have a good day. Have a good work day.